Welcome back. This is Chili Davis. I'm back to do another video. I'm here to review my stock portfolio and see which tickers were up today. And the first ticker we have is FEYE, otherwise known as Fireye. So Fireye stock is up 6% today. This is one of the cybersecurity companies. We know with the pipeline being shut down, the Bitcoin ransom, that Fireye and cybersecurity is really big right now. So I got a nice little pop today of 5%. The second ticker, SQ, Square popped today, 3%. Again, Square is doing great things. And we do expect this stock to be in the range of $250 soon. It was as low as $200. So still time to get back in the Square or add to your position. Third ticker is Twilio, TWLO. Twilio was up today 3%. And Twilio again is the communication, the virtual VoIP lines. One of their biggest customers is Uber, and they were up today. So tech sort of rallied today. I mean, we even had Tesla was up a little bit today. So, and the last ticker I want to share with you today is ticker symbol X, or otherwise known as United Steel. They were up 2% today. So I just wanted to do a quick deep dive and just show you, this is Fireye. It says Fireye is a publicly traded cybersecurity company headquartered in Milpitas, California. Shout outs to California. I spent a lot of time actually in Santa Cruz, San Jose, and Milpitas is awesome. So if you're ever in the San Francisco area, definitely check out Milpitas. It's a really nice suburb of San Francisco. So back to the stock. Fireye, it protects people's computers and servers from malicious software. And if you'd have got it earlier in the week, this is around June 4th, you could have got it for 18 bucks. And so as you can see, it surged. Have been a nice $3-4 pop. And if you had 100 shares, take that 100 shares times 3, that'd have been a nice little $300 for you. But you gotta know that it takes time to build a position, and sometimes you can't get them all the shares at a low price all the time. And just always look at the 52-week high. So you see the 52-week high is $25 and the 52-week low is $11. And if you can tell, the stock is trading in the $15, $25 range. The best place to get it is around $16, $17. If it comes down under $20, jump on it. So that is, again, Fireye was up today 3%, and so some folks made some serious money. Second ticker symbol, we have Square. Square is making a huge return. Square is an American financial services. Most people know it as the dongle that people swipe their credit card, but also Square is the company behind Cash App. So if you ever use Cash App, you're using a product of Square. And we'll just look back on Square over the last month. It was as low as 197. Now, I've been in Square for over 5 years. And if you just look at the chart, I got in 2017. So I got in actually somewhere around here. So I've been in Square since $20. And so I've basically 10x my money on Square. But I've been a big believer in Jack Dorsey and the whole fintech technology, because fintech is where we're going. Everything online, digital, whether it's cash or Bitcoin or any other kind of cryptocurrency, it's all going online and it's all going on the internet. And Jack Dorsey is one of the leaders in the fintech space. So again, this is one with probably a huge price target. I think last year this stock reached about $280. So if you look at the 52-week high, it says 283, and the 52-week low, of course, is low, $84. But this stock right now has been trading in a range of $200. I really think it was undervalued right here. When it's down at 197, that's when you just jump on it. And then sometimes you have to like figure out in your mind, okay, the 52 high is, $283. When it drops down, and if you get in, let's say you get in now at say 220. So now you're looking at a profit span of 220 to 280. So that's a $60 profit. So you got to wait. You got to buy in the stock, maybe buy half, buy some this week, maybe buy some next week. That's the best way to go with stocks. You probably can't afford the whole 50 shares up at one time, but you can over a number of weeks. And as you can see, Square has dipped, it's dipped, and it's dipped, and it's dipped. So there's plenty of buying opportunities each week. If you want me to go over a certain stock or company, I'll do that. Okay, so that was Square. Again, Square was up 3% today, and just look at that. I mean, Square has a lot of great products and service, so I know they can get back to that $280 mark. Next ticker symbol we have here is X United States Steel. Again, this is a huge company that's been around since 1901. They've been producing steel before many of us were born, before many of us, our grandparents were born. So United Steel. And as I said before, I liked it at $25. And if you'd have bought it about a month ago, you could have even got it back May 25th, about 2 weeks ago, at $23. Again, the price target on this is about $35. So there still is time to get in it, but I mean, you wouldn't get as much profit. So if you get in now, you're still waiting for it to hit $35 a share. So if you're calculating your profit between 27 and 35, that's about $6 profit times however many shares you get. So if you get 100 shares times at $6 or $7, that's pretty decent. So these are the things you have to think about when you're buying these stocks. Even though you catch them at a low M. So for example, if you'd have bought these shares at $23 and then you're selling at 35, you're looking at a $12 per share profit. And that could be 50 times 12 or 100 times 12 for your profit. So that's just a quick way of doing math, figuring out, hey, is it worth putting my money into this stock? Which stock can I get the best bang for my buck? There's many people right now, chasing some of the meme stocks. You got Clove, you got, Wendy's, you got a whole bunch of meme stocks. But the best way to buy a stock is figure out your profit before you get started. Before you buy the stock, figure out the end game first. So I just wanted to share that with you. And then in my stock group, I had some people share their results. Again, today we had US Steel. This is midday. Someone made $31 on a size of $2,200 market price of their shares. And again, someone on SoFi made some profit on a size of 1,100. So again, there's a lot of great stocks out there. Just plan your entry point and plan your exit point. So again, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And always, you can get the Webull link or the Robinhood link below and the WealthFront link for investing. So thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And we'll see you on the next one.